Alright, so I just took the belt off of my RedEye. This is the belt that came with the Litten 272 kit. Check this out. It's like pieces of it are missing. This thing definitely was slipping. So this is the belt that it came with right here. Do not get this belt. It's a piece of crap. It feels, I don't know, really thin and poor quality. But anyway, gonna try to go to Napa and get a new belt, the green one, or order one online if I can't get one there. So stay tuned. I am going to install it myself. It's pretty easy. 2 tension points for the dry belt and one for the one tension point for the dry belt, one for the supercharger belt. Pretty easy. So stay tuned. I will make another video when I get the new belt.